We are certainly living in a exciting time. Every day there is a new tool, new feature, new framework, new API. It's so much innovation out there that it is very hard to keep up, but I'll keep trying. Just today, or I should say yesterday because I'm in Australia, Stability AI has introduced SDXL Turbo, which is a text to image model leveraging a novel adversarial diffusion distillation or ADD technique. This approach significantly reduces the image generation process from 50 steps to a single step, maintaining high image quality and fidelity. So you can imagine that eliminating 49 steps out of this process not only saves time but also lot of energy costs. This new method avoids common artifacts and blurring seen in other distillation techniques. The model weights encode is also available on Hugging Face and you can use it for non-commercial basis. In this video, not only I'm going to present you the introduction, but also show you a quick demo from their website. I'll also drop the link to this website in video's description so that you can also try it out. Now, if you go to this website, which is clipdrop.co by Stability AI, you can give it a prompt and then on the basis of that prompt, it is going to generate an image. So let me give it a text prompt. As soon as you click on the text prompt, it will ask you to log in with your email account to SDXL Turbo. So if you don't have any account on Stability AI, just click on top right and then create a free account with your email. I already have an account, so let me sign in. So I have logged in to this tool or website and let me show you the magic now. Let me type out a prompt here and just keep an eye on the image section. I'm saying white sandy beach. Look at that. As I'm typing, it is generating the image. Look at the speed with, I'll say, palm trees and people sun bathing and playing volleyball and eating. I think that is enough. So you can see the how quick that is. Maybe I'll just give it another one. A modern dinosaur sauntering on a busy road. There you go. And let's remove it. Maybe I'll just play around some more. I'll say a YouTuber playing with Turbo SDXL model. I have even forgotten the name of the model. There are so many. Anyway, so there you go. Doesn't look like me. Okay, so okay, maybe I'll just say a cricket match being played between Australia. As you can see that it has shown another cricket to me, and I will say maybe New Zealand. There you go. And how cool is that? Earlier it just showed me in the white uniform, which is the test match uniform, but here it is showing me the correct jerseys. Very nice. I'll just remove it and then I'll ask it medieval stoic pondering on life. Okay, so I think I went just crazy and it is showing me that I have reached my usage cap. But as you can see, a very fine model, and the main takeaways I would say is that it retains SDXL like image quality without artifact, and I already have done few videos on this SDXL model. And another thing is that this SDXL Turbo single step generation process really marks a substantial improvement in the efficiency and speed of AI driven image creation. And I think this is the future. That split second immediate output from the model, and on the front there will be applications like these. And in various tests against the models like LCMXL and SDXL, this SDXL turbo has already demonstrated superior performance in both speed and fidelity with minimal computational overhead. So as you can see that it has reduced the image generation time to just 200 millisecond on an A100 GPU, and they have also put in these test results on their website. They also have put in some of the benchmarks which shows that this model has outperformed multi-steps model in various tests, or specifically the blind tests for prompt adherence and image quality. And as I mentioned, model weights and code is already available on Hugging Face. So this is it guys, I hope that you enjoyed it. I am really shocked about it. This is something really amazing, and I believe this will be the future of generative AI, where we won't have to wait and everything will be instantaneous. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.